Joe's company is booming, but more jobs mean more invoices, receipts, and confusion. QuickBooks Online keeps growth from becoming chaos by organizing every dollar the moment it moves. Inside QuickBooks, each project becomes a mini profit and loss center. Joe can open his profit control board and see revenue, costs, and margin for every job. No more guessing which jobs make money. QuickBooks. Projects tracks labor, materials, and expenses in real time. As technicians log hours or buy supplies, costs flow directly into the correct project. Joe sees profit or loss while the job is still running. To price work correctly, Joe must include wages, taxes, and overhead. With payroll data in QuickBooks, he can see his real hourly cost per technician. No underbidding, just accurate pricing for sustainable profit. Joe builds quotes using previous project data. QuickBooks estimates pull item prices, labor hours, and markup automatically. Every estimate becomes a job cost template for the next bid. Vendors send bills by email, and QuickBooks captures them instantly. When inventory items are received, they update job costs and stock levels. Joe always knows what's on the truck and what's still on order. Each project gets a planned budget inside QuickBooks. Actuals update automatically as transactions post. If plumbing parts or hours exceed the plan, Joe sees it that day, not at month end. Joe divides operations by residential, commercial, and maintenance. Using classes, QuickBooks separates profit by division. He can tell which line of business fuels growth and which drains cash. Big projects often need extra licensed help. QuickBooks tracks subcontractor payments, collects W-9s, and issues 1099s automatically. Compliance handled without the paperwork headache. Every major tool, from Jetter to camera, becomes a tracked asset. QuickBooks records purchase cost, service dates, and depreciation schedule. Joe knows when to repair, replace, or retire equipment. Trucks are mobile offices. Fuel, maintenance, insurance, and registration feed into a fleet cost category. Joe compares cost per vehicle and keeps each one earning, not draining. Small tools wear out fast. Instead of tracking every wrench, QuickBooks groups expendable tools as supplies. When replacement spending spikes, Joe plans bulk buys and discounts. Sometimes renting a lift or camera beats buying. QuickBooks flags rentals as short-term expenses and leased assets as long-term obligations. Accurate classification keeps financials clean. With the QuickBooks Mileage app, every business mile logs automatically. Trips sync to jobs for cost analysis and client billing. No manual logs, no missed deductions. Cash may arrive later, but expenses start now. Accrual basis in QuickBooks shows income when earned and costs when incurred. Joe finally sees true monthly profit, not just bank balance swings. Office rent, software, and admin salaries support every job. QuickBooks tags spread overhead evenly across projects. Each project reflects its share of indirect cost. True profitability revealed. Key performance indicators in QuickBooks measure efficiency. Gross margin percent, labor efficiency, and average invoice value update automatically. Joe reviews them weekly to keep performance steady. Bills and receivables flow into QuickBooks Cash Flow Center. Joe predicts shortfalls weeks in advance. Instead of reacting, he plans payments and payroll with confidence. A personalized dashboard shows accounts receivable aging, top clients, and open estimates. Joe glances once and knows where to focus his attention today. Every entry, every report, every dashboard builds one thing: peace of mind. Clean books mean Joe spends weekends with family, not spreadsheets. Completed jobs don't always stay done. QuickBooks customer notes link each warranty period to its invoice. If a callback occurs, history and cost tracking are one click away. Every fitting and valve has value. QuickBooks inventory reports show on-hand, committed, and missing parts. Shrinkage is flagged early, so loss never hides in cost of goods. Large remodels run for months. With progress invoicing, QuickBooks records revenue only when work is completed. Reports stay honest. Clients stay confident. QuickBooks reorder levels warn Joe before stock runs dry. Essential parts restock automatically from preferred vendors. Projects stay on schedule. Cash flow stays balanced. Every number Joe tracks builds his company's future. From today's profit to tomorrow's expansion, QuickBooks turns daily data into a long-term legacy plan. That's how balancing books empowers success. Mauricio Davalos is the founder of MDS Peace of Mind Bookkeeping. He is a certified QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor who helps business owners gain clarity, confidence, and control over their finances. MDS is built on 3 principles: simplicity, automation, and reliability, delivering true peace of mind to every client. MDS